Hey guys, my name's Hannah and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look right here. So if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So starting off, I've already done my eyebrows with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and they don't really look exactly how I wanted them. They're a little dark and thick, but it's okay. They're not going to be perfect, ever. So it's okay. But I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm going to put it on my eyelids to prime for the eyeshadow. And I'm not going to set it because I'm using colorful eyeshadow, so I really want it to be pigmented. And starting off, I'm going to take this small eyeshadow brush and I'm going to take this shade from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to pack it in the crease area, and I'm going to start blending it out into the brow bone area so it can be kind of like a transition shade. Now I'm going to take this Wet n Wild fluffy crease brush. I'm going to take the same shade I just used in this lighter yellow shade, and I'm going to blend this out so it looks not so harsh and messy. And I'm just going to keep going back in because I really want to build up the color so that it will still show when I put on other colors on top of it. And now I'm just going to do the same thing to my other eye. Now I'm going to take this orange shade right here and I'm going to apply it in the crease, but I'm going to put it lower than the yellow shade and really focus it in the crease so that the yellow is still showing through. And I'm just going to really blend this out because I really don't want any harsh lines. I want it to be like a gradient effect. So I'm just going to keep blending. Because unblended eyeshadow is not cute. Now I'm going to go in with a smaller, more defined brush, and I'm going to take this pink shade right here and really pack it on my lid and outer corner to darken the look up a little more. And then I'm just going to go back in with the brush that I used, the orange, to blend that out. I'm going to go back in with more pink. Now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush to blend everything out. Just, I don't know why. To be extra, I guess. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow. And this is like the gold color. And I'm going to kind of cut the crease a little bit. I don't know. But after that, I'm going to go in and I'm going to set it with this color, mixed with this color probably. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. And I'm just going to go in and blend out this part and the outer edge. But with the outer edge, I'm actually going to go in and add some more of that pink color so I can make that more blended because it looks kind of gross. So that's what this looks like right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and apply this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. So for this look, I'm gonna apply these Morphe lashes in the style Sunset Boulevard. So I'm just gonna apply these and I'll be right back. So now that I have the lashes on, I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced Hangover Primer and just apply this to my face. So now I'm just gonna go in and apply this Fenty foundation. Now I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm just gonna highlight my face. And after I blend it out, I'm going to take this e.l.f. powder and I'm going to bake under my eyes. But if you get this powder, don't use it if you're going to be using flash photography because it has flashback, which is like real tough. But I'm not going anywhere because I have no life. I'm literally just doing my makeup to stay in the house, which is what always happens when I'm doing my makeup. But yeah, so I'm going to bake with this. So now I'm taking this Wet n Wild contour palette and I'm just going to contour my face so that I look snatched. Now I'm going to bake under the contour just to make it super snatched and precise. So while that's kind of baking or whatever, I'm gonna go back in with this brush and I'm going to apply, I think, the orange shade to my lower lash line. Taking whatever's left on this brush and adding that as well. So now I'm gonna spray my face with this NYX matte finishing spray just to set everything in place. And I'm gonna go back in with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and I'm going to coat my lower lashes. Now I'm applying this Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shades Mean Money and Hustler Baby. And I'm going to apply this to my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, and inner corners and brow bone. For my lips, I'm just going to apply this Fenty Beauty lipstick in the shade Spank. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! When the rest of me is down.